In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can set up your channel in no time at all. First things first, we're going to open Slack. You can do this by navigating to the Slack website or opening the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device. Once you've got Slack open, the next step is to log in. Slack offers a few different ways to log in, so choose what's most convenient for you, whether that's using your email address, Google account, or your Apple ID. Make sure you have your credentials ready, and simply follow the prompts to access your account. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you should do is click on your preferred workspace. If you are a part of several Slack workspaces, make sure to choose the one where you want your new channel to be created. This will help keep everything organized and ensure you're setting things up exactly where you need them. Once you're in your desired workspace, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of the Slack interface, which is often referred to as the channel bar. Here, you'll want to look for the plus Add Channel option. Click on this, and a menu will appear with several choices. From the menu, you should select Create a Channel. At this point, you'll have the option to either create a blank channel from scratch or choose from an existing template. If you're starting fresh and have specific ideas for the channel, the blank option is perfect for you. However, if you'd like some guidance or a standardized setup, a template can save you time and effort. Once you've made your choice, it's time to name your channel. Be thoughtful about this step. The channel name should clearly reflect its purpose to make it easy for your team members to understand its function at a glance. After naming the channel, you need to decide if you want this channel to be public or private. A public channel is open for everyone in your workspace to join, making it great for general topics. On the other hand, a private channel is perfect for more exclusive gatherings, where you can control who has access to the conversations. Finally, and there you go, just click on Create once you're satisfied with the setup. With that simple click, your new channel is ready for action. You can now start inviting team members, sharing files, and jump-starting conversations. And that's it. You've successfully created a channel in Slack. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking.